How to clear app users' data on iPhone, step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily clear app users' data on your iPhone. This is a super simple process that can help keep your phone clutter-free and improve app performance. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and if you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the list of apps installed on your device. Next, tap on the App Store option within the app settings. Once you're inside the App Store settings, scroll down until you see the Personalized Recommendations option. Tap on it. Now you'll see an option that says Clear Users Data. Tap on it, and a confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm the action by tapping OK, and the data will be cleared. And that's it. If you need to, you can repeat this process anytime to clear app users' data. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or video suggestions. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.